Philosophy often seems intimidating, conjuring up images of ancient thinkers pondering complex theories. But at its heart, philosophy is about something we all do. Think about life's big questions. It's about understanding ourselves, our place in the universe, and how we should live. From the moment we begin to question our existence, we're engaging in a form of philosophical thought. Why are we here? What is the meaning of life? Is there a right and wrong way to live? These questions have echoed through the ages, pondered by philosophers and everyday people alike. Philosophy provides us with tools and frameworks to approach these questions, not necessarily to find definitive answers, but to engage in a meaningful exploration of ideas. Philosophy encourages us to examine our beliefs and assumptions, to think critically and logically, and to develop well-reasoned arguments. It's a journey of intellectual discovery that can lead to a richer, more meaningful understanding of ourselves and the world around us. The history of philosophy is a rich tapestry woven with the threads of countless thinkers who have shaped our understanding of the world. From the ancient Greeks to the modern era, philosophers have grappled with fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, morality, and more. Socrates, with his relentless questioning, challenged conventional wisdom and emphasized the importance of self-examination. His student, Plato, explored the nature of reality and knowledge, proposing a world of ideal forms that transcended our senses. Aristotle, Plato's student, took a more empirical approach, emphasizing observation and logic. His work laid the foundation for scientific inquiry and continues to influence fields like ethics and politics. Moving into the modern era, thinkers like René Descartes questioned the nature of certainty and the relationship between mind and body. Immanuel Kant revolutionized our understanding of reason and morality, arguing that our minds shape our experience of reality. Friedrich Nietzsche challenged traditional values and explored themes of individualism and the human condition. These are just a few highlights from the vast and multifaceted history of philosophy. By studying the ideas of these influential thinkers, we gain valuable insights into the evolution of human thought and the enduring power of philosophical inquiry. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's easy to dismiss philosophy as an abstract pursuit with little relevance to our daily lives. However, philosophical thinking is more important than ever in navigating the complexities of the modern world. Consider the ethical dilemmas posed by advancements in artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and data privacy. How do we ensure these technologies are used responsibly and ethically? Philosophy provides a framework for analyzing these issues, considering different perspectives, and developing ethical guidelines. Beyond these specific issues, philosophy equips us with critical thinking skills that are essential in all aspects of life. From evaluating information and making informed decisions to communicating effectively and understanding different viewpoints, philosophical thinking empowers us to engage with the world in a more thoughtful and insightful way. Whether we're debating current events, making personal choices, or simply trying to make sense of our own lives, philosophy provides invaluable tools for navigating the complexities of the human experience. Section 4. Unpacking the branches of philosophy. Philosophy encompasses a wide range of inquiries, each exploring different aspects of our existence and understanding. To delve deeper into the world of philosophy, it's helpful to understand its main branches. Metaphysics. This branch delves into the fundamental nature of reality, exploring questions about existence, time, space, and the relationship between mind and matter. What is the nature of consciousness? Is there free will? These are just a few examples of metaphysical inquiries. Epistemology. This branch focuses on the nature of knowledge. How do we know what we know? What are the limits of human understanding? These are central questions in epistemology, which explores the validity of knowledge claims and the methods we use to acquire knowledge. Ethics. This branch deals with questions of right and wrong, good and evil. What constitutes a moral life? What are our obligations to others? Ethics provides frameworks for making moral judgments, exploring different ethical theories, and examining the principles that guide our actions. Logic. This branch focuses on the principles of valid reasoning and argumentation. It provides tools for analyzing arguments, identifying fallacies, and constructing sound arguments. Aesthetics. This branch explores the nature of beauty, art, and taste. What makes something beautiful? What is the purpose of art? Aesthetics examines our subjective experiences of beauty and the criteria we use to make aesthetic judgments. Political philosophy. This branch examines the nature of government, justice, power, and the relationship between the individual and society. What is the best form of government? What are the principles of a just society? Political philosophy explores these questions, examining different political ideologies and their implications for social organization. Section 5, grappling with the big questions. Throughout history, philosophers have grappled with some of life's most enduring questions. These questions don't have easy answers, but wrestling with them can lead to profound insights and personal growth. What is the meaning of life? This question has captivated thinkers for centuries, with answers ranging from finding purpose in relationships and creative pursuits to seeking enlightenment and transcendence. Is there a God? This question lies at the heart of religious and philosophical debates, with arguments presented for and against the existence of a divine being. What is the nature of consciousness? How does our physical brain give rise to subjective experiences, thoughts and emotions? The mind-body problem remains one of the most challenging questions in philosophy. Do we have free will if our actions are predetermined by our genes, upbringing, or other factors? Do we truly have the freedom to choose? The debate over free will has implications for our understanding of responsibility, morality, and the justice system. These are just a few examples of the big questions that philosophy tackles. While definitive answers may remain elusive, the process of exploring these questions can be intellectually stimulating and personally enriching.